Hey guys! Today's set is about to make you drool all over the place. There's a bunch of gadgets that help to save space, take Alexa with you, become louder, and be more specific expressing your emotions. There's also an even swap to the smartphone for kids and a brain workout for their parents on the list. But the culmination part is definitely all those Star Wars things. All the links to the products are given in the description below. Can't wait to get started. You might think this is one of the many lamps you can actually get. You're wrong. This Gladle bedside lamp has some options you'll find quite useful. So the first advantage is that the lamp's minimalist design blends the device with any interior. The second is that the operation is so easy even a child can handle it. Pick one of 3 color modes with a push of a button, and then switch between them and adjust their brightness with just a tap. Okay, a double tap if you want to turn the lamp off. Cool white light mode will be perfect for studying, warm white light mode will help create that cozy atmosphere, and the enchanting RGB color spectrum will delight your kids and protect them from monsters under their beds. The built-in timer will shut the device off automatically after 1 hour, providing a relaxed ambiance to promote sleep. Gladle Night Lamp is broken resistant and extremely durable, since it's made from ABS and silicone. There's more. The battery delivers 6-hour operation on the brightest light. Last but not least, the lamp comes with a built-in magnet and a back adhesive metal plate. You can stick it either to the wall or any other metal surface. Your personal ray of light in your midnight raids to the fridge. Since you're one of the subscribers, check out the description box and take a promo code that'll give you a 30% discount. That's a bargain. This innovative strap is the ultimate companion for you and all your devices. Get rid of all your keyboards and mice, they're already on your fingers. That's right, a surface and the strap on your hand is all you need to either type text or play your favorite games. Or you might use the gestures to scroll web pages in the most futuristic way. The strap provides up to 10 hours of operation, and it's really comfortable to wear. There are 2 sizes to choose from. Bluetooth connectivity allows you to use this gadget with virtually any device and platform, from your smartphone and laptop to smart TV and VR headset. Everything is literally at your fingertips. Are you good at soccer? Here's something that'll help you to monitor your progress. This FIFA-authorized wearable GPS tracker is designed to analyze and improve your soccer performance. Just place the device on a special smart vest and you're ready to play. That's it. The tracker will automatically turn on and start recording. After the game, synchronize the device with a special app to see how you performed. Detailing your speed, sprint, distance, power, load, and intensity data and positioning via heat maps, you'll get a total understanding of your game. The app will also provide you with Premier League coaches' advice on training, nutrition, and recovery. One more cool feature, you can invite your friends and create your own squad to find the best player. Cool! Here's something for those who don't want to carry a huge Bluetooth speaker all the time. Just plug this speaker into your phone's headphone jack, tablet, or whatever it might be. That's it. No need for additional software. It just works right away. Despite the pocketable size, this speaker features 3 watts output, delivering up to 8 hours of playtime. And it'll take you 45 minutes to charge. When you need to save the battery, you can turn on the power saving mode. The USB charging cable is included in the package along with a nice storage bag. It's hard to believe, but an ordinary cap can be smart nowadays. Yep, just download a special app, pair your accessory with your smartphone, choose the preferable pattern, and enjoy it flickering on the LED display. It's that simple. The gallery is enormous, but you're free to write down your own text and draw your own picture. It can even play music. Don't forget to check out the rhythm mode when the picture on the display reacts to the music beats. Built-in 700 mAh rechargeable battery is enough for 5 hours of continuous work. The cap is made of cotton, so it'll be quite comfortable to wear. Oh, and you can easily turn the LED off and wear it as an ordinary one when you need. Wow. Always wanted to learn programming? This is the computer to start with. Powered by Raspberry Pi 4, this device was designed to let you experiment and invent. The computer itself is simple as it gets, just several buttons, a little screen, and 4 GB of RAM. But you're free to turn it into something completely different using 14 additional components. The kit includes various sensors, buttons, and LEDs, which of course are fully programmable. What can you build with all that? Virtually anything, ranging from a drone to an actual robot. This thing features a variety of ports to connect different peripherals. With some optional accessories, you can turn it into either a tablet, desktop PC, or a rover. That's a seamless transition from user to maker. If you want to be more expressive while chatting with other gamers, then this sound pad is a great option for you. Well, not everyone will be happy about that, but it still looks cool though. This accessory attaches to your PS4 or Xbox controller via the headphone jack, bringing you a set of 11 fun sound effects. Horn, clap, or laughter, everything is available with the touch of a button. The buttons are backlit, so it's really easy to use them in the dark. Plus, you're free to adjust the volume right on the controller. And if you want to replace the preset sounds with your own ones, it's actually a matter of a few minutes. So it's time to amaze your friends. Our key rings keep growing bigger and bigger, making it harder to carry and use them. It's time to stop that. This elegant key organizer does a great job at keeping things handy and slim in your pocket. It holds up to 7 keys along with the included USB flash drive. At the same time, it's a stylish accessory which combines handcrafted leather with the durable locking mechanism made of stainless steel. Simply unfasten it with a coin to rearrange the keys or add new ones. You can also attach larger keys and accessories using the D-ring tip. The compact flash drive features up to 32 gigabytes of storage and USB 3.0 connectivity. Files and keys, all in a single petite body. Think twice before buying your kid a smartphone. A smartwatch might suit better. This one was designed for kids while keeping in mind what a parent needs. The watch has a SIM card slot that allows both phone calls and internet connection, plus there's a great messenger with broad functionality for family use. Group chats, voice messages, and all sorts of fun multimedia content. Your kid can also make video calls using the built-in camera, or simply rotate it to take a selfie. And of course, there's a lot of fun stuff like the animated music player, customizable watch faces, and various games. But most importantly, this watch is provided with a mobile app for parents. It allows them to control the kids' contacts and track the watch on the map. You can even set the gaming time to make sure there's still some time left for homework. Are you ready? Here's a bunch of amazing lightsabers. Let's start with this minimalist flat blade that was inspired by the Mandalorian series. It's made of acrylic that brings a deep black color, and the LED strips around the edges add that awesome laser effect. The smooth light-up animation along with the sound effects makes this blade even more authentic. But if you're looking for a classic lightsaber, this tube design might suit you better. The blade is made of polycarbonate, so it must be more durable. In addition, it features changeable colors and this cool crack pattern along the entire length. And here's a similar blade that stands out with its quite unusual shape. It's inspired by the traditional swords of Japanese ninjas. Just imagine that epic battle with that armor. Jedis against ninjas. And here's a She-Ra sword. That's the case when a blade in real life looks way better than in the cartoon. Finally, here's a great option for the fans of crossguard lightsabers. Unlike the red one that belonged to Kylo Ren, this blade features a variety of different colors. All these blades are handmade, so each of them is unique in its own way. How many steps does it take to open the Alexa app in your phone and ask the question? With this little gadget, you'll be able to access Alexa instantly and hands-free. Stick the accessory to the phone's back. So easy to carry, huh? You might find other places like your backpack or coffee cup. 2 integrated microphones make sure Alexa always hears you well. As for the output, it'll use your phone speakers. The gadget's water and dust resistant, so it's ready to follow you anywhere. It works up to 5 days on a single charge and supports Qi wireless charging. Super handy. The cutest Star Wars character has finally made it to the real world. This model of Baby Yoda looks exactly like in the Mandalorian series. Moreover, it's ready to interact with you using various sounds and motorized movements. When you start patting the child, it'll react by giggling and moving his ears and eyes. This toy will definitely melt your heart.